Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick maintenance video we're going to go through some very straightforward tips when it comes to cleaning your Panasonic TV. Now the first thing to remember is that microfiber is your friend. This is going to be the most valuable cleaning tool when it comes to your TV. It's perfect for cleaning the back of the TV with a dry microfiber cloth, really great at getting rid of all that dust buildup that can of course happen at the back of the TV and can block some really important parts there. But it's also great for the front of the TV, specifically the screen. It's really suited for getting rid of any buildup of dust, any fingerprints that can get on the screen as well. You can of course use it on the stand too, and you can use a microfiber cloth on the remote control. Really great at removing dust as well. If you've got some sort of stronger buildup of dirt on your TV remote, you can actually use some pre-moistened sort of glass wipes or lens wipes as well. They're really good. Just make sure you thoroughly dry the remote control after you use those. Now, if you've got some more stubborn buildup on your screen itself, you can use a soft dampened cloth with warm water and just a little bit of mild detergent or soap. Just make sure you give that a real thorough wring out. There's no drips of water on it at all. It's really important. It's not too wet, and you can give your screen a wipe with that as well. But again, make sure you thoroughly dry the screen straight away afterwards, okay? You don't want any moisture getting in anywhere where it shouldn't. It's really important. It's not watertight, so you need to make sure that any excess moisture that you do find, you wipe away straight away. And that's pretty much it. That is giving your Panasonic TV a really good clean. It's a really important aspect of maintenance. It prolongs the life of your product, and it makes sure you're getting the best picture quality available. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.